Hi, Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts here, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. I was gonna do this last week and I didn't get a chance, so I'm gonna do it now. This is my most recent Chalk Couture order that includes some of the new items from the Patriotic collection. It has some other stuff in it too, because, you know, shopping. But I did want to show you some of the new things and what I bought. So let's have some fun. So the first thing is, this is the Chalk Made kit. This actually came out in the Summerbrations collection that released in April. And it's a little like key hanger that you can do as a watermelon or as a rainbow. You can't really, I don't think you can really see that design there. But I have, actually, this is the second one of these I bought because I decided I wanted to do both. So I'm excited about that. Very cute. And I will often, when a release comes out, I'll look at something and I'll be like, yeah, I don't really want that. And then I see something that somebody else has done with it. I'm like, oh, I do want that. So hence the chalkable popsicle shapes. I actually got 2 sets of those. Been starting to use chalkable shapes a lot more, so I figured I would buy some extras just in case. And then this is an older product. This is not new. These are packages of flowers and greenery. Again, I've seen it a whole bunch in the back office, in the options for ordering, and I've never ordered it. And then I've watched somebody do a project using these and I was like, oh my god, that's super cute, I want that. So 3 packages of those won't last me very long. So this is one of the new Patriotic collection items. This is a beaded star. So we have several beaded frames that have come out. There was a round frame in the spring collection. There was a beaded 5x12, I think it was 5x12, and it was long skinny frame in the Christmas holiday collection last year. The beaded round, that one. I feel like there's another beaded frame out there, but I can't remember. So I love these beaded frames. And this, I'm gonna open this because if this is the way I think, I can actually do 3 different things with this. And I saw this, again, something another designer had done. So she took the middle piece out. So this opens, on the back with just these little hinges. And the middle kind of pops out. Sorry, those hinges are tight. And she just painted the star without the middle in it. So if you do that, then you also have the middle of the star that you could do something with. And then obviously you have the piece, all together. So you actually have 3 different options of things that you could do with this beaded star. And there's 2 different sizes. This is the smaller one, and then this is the larger one. And I'm hoping these stick around because these will be great for holiday as well. So that's that. I am already running out of room on my desk. Granted, part of that's because the box is big. And then these are chalkable shapes of ice cream pieces. This was the Best in Town transfer and shapes that came in the Summerbrations. Again, one of those things that when I first saw it, I was like, yeah, it's cute, but I don't think I'd do anything with it. Then of course I see what other people do with it, and I'm like, yeah, I definitely want those. And then we have our transfers. I almost don't want to show this because if he watches the video on YouTube, it'll spoil the surprise. But this is a transfer that says Trophy Husband. So this is going on a t-shirt that my husband will get a big kick out of. And then this is the Sunny Vibes minis. Again, I think this was part of a sale that I bought. I like the minis. I like to make magnets with them or use the little 3x3 box frame. This I'm super excited about. So this is part of the Patriotic collection. It's the sheet music to America the Beautiful. And, you know, sheet music is very on trend right now. And there's just so many different things you can do with a transfer like this. And I've seen some pieces that people have done with it, and they're just gorgeous. And you can layer this. You can just do the bars without the words. You could just do the words. I mean, just a lot of versatility there. Very excited about that. This was another one of the Summerbrations. Said this was going to be a Patriotic collection, and it's really more Summerbrations. But again, this is the Sweet Citrus. I did actually mean to order this when I placed my first Summerbrations order and forgot because it wasn't in my wish list or in my list of things. And so that was a, oops, I forgot I meant to order that. This is the Best in Town. No, these are the popsicles. So these go with those chockable shapes. Could do a very cute patriotic, you know, red, white, and blue. If you grew up with the ice cream men coming in the bomb pops, you know, it kind of lends itself to that. This is the Americana Icons. I liked this one a lot. You've got your distressed flag, Statue of Liberty, postage stamp, stars, Uncle Sam, Home of the Brave, the Eagle, and then Land of the Free, which is the state. So again, all kinds of things you can do with that. This Lady Liberty stamp is going to go in some scrapbook pages of a trip to New York from November 2022. So with my pictures of the Statue of Liberty, so that'll be really fun. You know, you've got the whole map of the United States right there, even if you did it without the words. Some options there. And then let's see. Another one that I thought I had ordered, this wasn't Summerbrations, this I think was spring. It's called Coffee Bar. So last fall, they came out with 2 transfers, one called Cocktail Hour and one called But First Cocktails, that had all of the drinks. One had bottles and one had the drinks. And it's this very Subway style transfer. And so they came out with the coffee one. And we just bought a coffee bar for our upstairs. We put our Keurig on it and all of our coffee mugs, and we've got some wall space above it that I want to do some things with. So I thought this would be super cute. And somebody did this on a tote bag. Just saw last week. Adorable. So again, all kinds of ideas. These would actually be really cute on t-shirts too. And let's see what we got here. This one is actually from the Patriotic collection. It's called Fireworks Show. So you've got all these little bursts of fireworks. These fit on the coaster set. So you could do coasters with these. Obviously, you do not have to do a red, white, and blue motif because you could do these in any color and they would look really cute. So very versatile, which is part of the reason I like the coaster set ones. Those coasters can be done double-sided. And there's been a lot of really cute things with this too. So that's going to be a really fun transfer. And then this is a flag. It says Land of the Free because of the brave. I have a very specific project in mind for this that I'm not going to say anything about just yet. It's actually a gift. But I may record while I'm making it and then share it probably after I've given the gift. But I like the distressed flag. Lots you can do with that as well. And then this one, wait, are there multiple big ones in here? Then maybe not. Okay, so then I got paste. Just trying to add to paste colors that I don't have. Raspberry Sorbet. And then this is retro. This is the May color of the month. So very cool blue color. And then what is this one? This is called Patriotic stars. So these can go on the beaded stars. They can go on the inside of the backing, or not on the inside of the backing, they can go on this backing, which again, you know, you can put it back in the beaded frame, or you can just use those on their own. And then you've got 1776, 4th of July. You can layer these. All kinds of fun things you can do with these. I like this. You can actually, this one, you know, you could make a pinwheel. Not actually a star if you wanted to. And then this one, yeah, this is the last one. I don't, I thought I ordered something that I didn't, so I'm gonna have to go back and look. Did I forget, or is it back ordered? So this is the Best in Town. This is the ice cream shop. Can't see me. This goes with the ice cream chockable shapes. And part of the reason I got it is because there's transfer that says life is short, eat ice cream first. So that is definitely t-shirt material. This, I believe, will fit on a surface that I have that was from last Christmas, that was a gingerbread cookie company. It was a kit, part of a kit. And if I remember correctly, it's shaped like this, so I could do the gingerbread cookie company on one side and the Best in Town on the other, so that makes that a, you know, spring, summer, winter usable surface. So that could be really cute. I think that's a reusable surface anyway, so you could just do, I could just do one side of it and clean it off. So that's everything. The other large transfer that I thought I ordered was, there's actually a large transfer that's the map of the United States. And I thought that would look really neat and be a really fun transfer to do. And I thought I'd ordered it, but it might still be in my wish list, waiting for my designer dollars that come here in a couple of days. So we'll have to go back and look at that. So that's everything. Now it's time to put it all away. And as I work through projects with some of this stuff, obviously you'll see me. I am planning to start Craft With Me Fridays in June, where I go live every Friday, most every Friday, with a specific project. I'm hoping to do that on my YouTube channel. I need 9 more subscribers on my YouTube channel to be able to go live in YouTube. So if you've not subscribed to me on YouTube, do that, and then I can go live. Until I hit that, I'll do that obviously live on Facebook, and then upload to YouTube and share back and forth. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I hope it created some inspiration for you, things you might do. Trying to find my little remote for my camera so that I can stop the video. There it is. It gets hidden. It's very tiny. It's Monday. I hope you're having a great Monday, and I will talk to you all later.